Yeah, guys, been doing this since 4 o'clock and it's 20 minutes to 8 right now. It's been a steady downpour and thunderstorms. Just working out here. I got that desk out of here. I got some hooks, so I'm going to hang up this bike. This little bike. Then I go over here. Got the hydro sitting here. Got 2 new batteries tonight. Where is it? There. This one's going in the hydro. That one's going to go in my 69 SS12. The battery, I went to start that the other day and the battery was dead. So, alright guys, not much going on here. Just trying to knock some stuff out. Let's see if this guy will start. I love starting these things. Alright. Oh, it started better than I thought it would. Oh yeah. Man, love that tractor. Jeffrey, get yours done. We're going to go invade Chew Man's place with these, just like we planned. So, alright guys, just a little update. Show you the rain and just doing some messing around in the garage. It feels really good. So, we'll talk to you later.